Something for Nothing, The All-Consuming Desire That Turns the American Dream into a Social Nightmare is a book by Brian Tracy that explores the negative effects of the desire for something for nothing on individuals and society as a whole. The book argues that this mentality, which is often associated with the American dream, can lead to a host of social problems, such as poverty, crime, and addiction. The book asserts that the desire for something for nothing is a major contributor to poverty and social inequality, as it leads people to believe that they can get rich without working hard or taking risks. This mentality can also lead to a culture of dependency and entitlement, where people expect to receive handouts from the government or others without earning them. Tracy also claims that this mentality is a major contributor to crime and addiction, as people turn to illegal activities or substance abuse in order to get something for nothing. He suggests that this problem can be solved by promoting a culture of hard work, personal responsibility, and self-reliance. The author also emphasizes that the desire for something for nothing can lead to a lack of motivation and a lack of ambition, where people are content to live a mediocre life and never reach their full potential. The author encourages readers to strive for personal excellence, and to set and achieve goals in order to reach their full potential and live a fulfilling life. In summary, the book is critical of the American dream as a mentality where one wants easy to get money, status, or benefits without putting effort and hard work. The book encourages to adopt a mindset of hard work, personal responsibility, and self-reliance instead.